Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Microsoft Authenticator accounts to a new device step by step clearly. Start by ensuring that both your old and new devices are fully charged. On your old device, open the Microsoft Authenticator app. Tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Look for the option labeled Backup and tap on it. Make sure the backup feature is enabled. This will store your account information securely in the cloud. Next, move to your new device and download the Microsoft Authenticator app from the App Store. After installation, open the app on your new device. Sign in using the same Microsoft account you used for the backup. Once signed in, you'll see an option to restore your backup. Tap on this option to begin the restoration process. The app will retrieve your accounts from the cloud. Wait a moment for the restoration to complete. Once finished, you will see your transferred accounts on your new device. It's important to check that each account is working properly. If prompted, verify your identity for any accounts that require re-authentication. Finally, you can remove the Microsoft Authenticator app from your old device if you no longer need it. Always ensure you keep your recovery codes in a safe place for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.